Hello you guys and welcome to our very last lab project of this school year. And I hope that you guys were able to get all the materials that we talked about like last week. And well, we shall proceed to number all the materials that you're gonna be needing for this experiment. Okay, so first of all, you guys have, you're gonna be needing some glass containers. So in my case, I'm gonna be using these 125 milliliters Erlenmeyer flasks, because in my case I'm gonna be just like doing 4 reactions. Like you guys only get one glass bottle is fine. And then we're gonna be having this on the left side, hydrogen peroxide or oxygenated water, agua oxigenada en español. And then right next to it we have the yeast, dry yeast. And inside this box, you're gonna be finding several little envelopes, okay? So we're gonna be using the envelopes inside. And then we're gonna be needing some hot water, so you can see it, the steam leaving the beaker. We're gonna be needing another beaker or another just like glass container, so you guys can activate the yeast with the warm water. You're gonna be seeing it later. Then we're gonna be having some dishwasher, this soap, you know, that we can use to create this reaction. Funnel, this glass funnel. Lastly, we're gonna be using some food coloring. So in your case, could be 1 or 2. I'm gonna be using 4, just like for the fun of it. And lastly, just like one little thing, just like to stir things up and just like mix them. Okay, so we shall proceed to the reaction. Okay guys, so the first step, it's going to be this. We're going to be adding about like 50 to 55 mLs of hydrogen peroxide into our glass container, or in your case, your glass bottle. So we're going to be using the funnel to try to avoid any spilling. So here is the measurement of 50 mLs. You guys can use some measuring cups, you know, to try to measure the 50 mLs. So in this flask, I have just like the mark in there. And we're gonna be continue, in my case, because I'm gonna be doing 4 reactions, I'm gonna be just like doing the same in all of them. Finally. Well, we're done with the hydrogen peroxide. And then second step, we're gonna be using the food colorings, okay? And we're gonna be just like dropping, I don't know, about just like 2 or 3 drops of this food coloring. Well, that was a big drop. So I think that that's gonna be enough. And then we're gonna be having the yellow one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The orange one. I think that this is the green food coloring. Oh my god, we went a little bit too much. And if you guys notice, I am working on this tray because we're gonna be just like avoiding any sort of spill, you know. And you can go to either your garden or you can go to your shower, in which, you know, just like water is gonna be rinsing everything. So please take into account that this experiment is gonna be causing some kind of a foam and it can spill. So you don't want to ruin any surface, okay? Then step number 3, we're gonna be using the soap. We're gonna be using the dishwasher soap, and we're gonna be pouring about like half a spoon, like this. And then we have finished with step number 3. Okay guys, for step number 4, I added the warm water into this water bottle that I have here, just like to have a better control over the amount of water I'm gonna be needing. So we're gonna be proceeding to activate the yeast. So take one of these envelopes and please just like open it. And then in a separate glass container, I'm using a beaker. You guys can use another thing. You pour this thingy, and as you can see, it is a kind of not exactly powdery, but it's like finely grained. So in here you have the yeast. So if you guys remember, the yeast is a microorganism that is used in process of fermentation, because it's gonna be transforming sugars into carbon dioxide and alcohol, and also in this reaction is gonna be serving as a catalyst. It's gonna be helping to speed up, and it's going to be consuming all the oxygen in the hydrogen peroxide that we already added in these containers, okay? So to activate this one, so in here, each one of the envelopes, it is about 11 grams. So you're going to be using kind of the same amount of water, just like 11 milliliters, just like to activate this one. You're going to be seeing this one. Add a little bit and then start mixing, and the texture that we are gonna be wanting to achieve in this phase is kind of a melted ice. We can add a little more. Okay, I'm gonna be adding okay guys, keep adding water until to achieve this consistency. Look, it's like kind of a melted ice. Can you see it in here? Please go easy with the water, because if you actually just like pour more water, it's gonna be not achieving the right texture, okay? So the effect is not gonna be the same one. So look at this, it's kind of a melted ice. Okay. And then once we have this texture, we're gonna be using the funnel that we previously used. Well, let's try to actually do it without the funnel. And we're gonna be pouring this, and let's watch how's gonna be reacting this, okay? So let the magic begin. Look, oh my God. And there you have it, there you have it, there you have the elephant toothpaste. We're gonna be doing the same with the following one. Do not forget to mix. Look, woohoo! There it goes again. I'm gonna be adding more color on this one. So let's pour them. Do not forget to mix. Woo! Then we have the orange one. Wow! And there you have the green one. Okay. So we have a wonderful, just like kind of a, just like colorful experiment. Look at the different colors. So now you have this elephant toothpaste. So guys, remember to work in an area in which you can clean later. Okay. Maybe it could be your backyard or the garden or your shower even. So there you go. So wonderful creation of foam. And let's check out what is exactly the reaction that is happening, okay? So there you have it, guys, and see you in the classroom. Bye bye. I hope that you enjoyed.